Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time, thank you for visiting my channel, and if this is not your first time, still thank you for visiting my channel. So for today, we're gonna do a test video or test footage of the Sirui Swift P1 using my iPhone 11 Pro cell phone. And I've made an unboxing video of this Swift Sirui P1, and I'm gonna put a link down below, and over here there's gonna pop up, this is gonna go up, so you could click that one to see my unboxing video of this gimbal. And if you like this video, don't forget to click that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and click that bell button so you'll be notified if I have new videos. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Siguro nga masyadong mabilis ang pagyanig ng puso ko para sa puso mo. Siguro nga ako ay makulit, ayaw makinig sa takbo ng isip. Hindi ko maipilit, tila ko ay nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang tayo, hindi pababayaan ang daang dinakatapiling ka. Kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, kapit lang ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga tala. Ihip ng iyong ninanais, ngunit maaari bang kahit na pansamantala lang, ikaw muna'y maging akin. Tila ko ay nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang